Drones operating where it matters most demand a flawless video link. Semtech AVP BlueRiver delivers ultra-low latency, engineered for the toughest builds. Real-life applications, public safety and surveillance. These are real-life applications where the stakes are high and performance, reliability, and uptime matter most, because the outcome depends entirely on the technology inside the drone. In public safety operations, tethered drones deliver persistent aerial surveillance, supporting law enforcement, emergency response, and border security. Real-life applications, industrial inspection. For industrial inspection, tethered drones enable safe, long-duration monitoring from pipelines and power lines to hazardous facilities, delivering critical data without putting people at risk. The tethered variant swaps wireless for fiber, delivering continuous ground power, RF immunity, and ranges up to 30 kilometers. Continuous ground power, immune to RF jamming, and ranges up to 30 kilometers, working towards 80 kilometers based on 10G-based ZR standard. AVP BlueRiver slots right into that architecture. Wireless video links come with a cost, plagued by lag, vulnerable to RF jamming, and delivering compressed, degraded footage that costs critical detail. Semtech AVP changes all of that with zero lag, jam-proof fiber transmission, and lossless uncompressed 4K video on every single frame. The FPV camera feeds the AVP 1000TX on the drone. Video travels instantly uncompressed over a 10 gigabit fiber link down to the ground station. No wireless, no jamming, just pure video at the speed of light. The AVP 1000RX delivers it straight to the pilot's goggles in under 100 microseconds. Control commands travel back up the same tether to the flight controller, driving all 4 motors in real time. One closed loop, zero lag, zero compromise. The Semtech AVP 1000 engineered for missions where failure is not an option. Uncompressed 4K at 60 frames per second, latency under 100 microseconds, and AES 256 encryption on every frame. To explore the full capabilities of the Semtech AVP 1000, scan the QR code on your screen to visit the BlueRiver product page at semtech.com.